The idea that great leaders are born and not made is something that actually has had quite a lot of currency in 100 years ago, perhaps. So originally there would have been the idea that looking at examples of great people, we would have had case studies, if you like, that we could look at and see how they progressed and developed. But actually, the latest data is suggesting that really some of those case studies were really just speculation before psychology as a modern discipline had the opportunity to investigate further. So I'd argue that while there are some characteristics of leadership and potential that are things that people tend to show very young, actually there are a number of capabilities and characteristics that will develop through life. So I think it's not quite as simple as great leaders are born but not made. I think it's actually a little bit more complicated than that. When we look at both the empirical data and the experience and opinions of the HR leaders and practitioners that we survey globally, we've actually found that while there are some factors and characteristics which come out as quite consistently important for leadership, when you get into the detail of looking at a particular situation, there's actually some differences which can be important in those particular contexts. So broadly speaking, characteristics like being able to build relationships and assert and be dominant with people, as well as getting things done and driving projects, are important characteristics regardless of the culture and the particular organisation. But some of the more sophisticated and specific areas of research will vary, and there will be different factors that matter in particular contexts.